What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Lego Beef Boss for Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page and draw a curve in between the eyes. So we're going to start on the left, we're going to bend this up and then back down towards the right. Now from here we're going to add a socket for the base of the eyes. Starting back on the left, we're going to come down and then bend that out. Let's curve this down towards the bottom of the head, going out and then down. And I'll close off the bottom with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Let's go back and place the eyes inside these sockets. Starting from this point, we're going to draw a half circle, going out and then back in. And then on the outside of each eye, we draw an oval for the pupils. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now on the top left side, we draw a half circle for the olive, going around and then down. And then on the left side, draw a smaller oval. And then on the top, draw a small half circle. Let's place that tongue in the center of the head, but we're going to bend this out towards the right. So we're going to start on the left side, go across, and then down. Let's round out the tongue, go up on the right, and then bend that in. And in the center, we're just going to add a fold, going out and then down. Now we're going to tuck the patty in underneath the bun. From the ends, we're going to step in, draw a large bracket going around and then in towards the bottom. Now I want to connect these 2 points with another curve going in behind the tongue. So we'll start on the left, bend this down and in, continue up on the right. Let's place the cheese along the top. From the top corner, come down and in, round at the bottom, go up and then in behind the tongue. Now we'll continue this curve on the right side of the tongue, bend this out and then down, round at the bottom and go up towards the top corner. From the bottom corner of the patty, bend the bun, coming down and then in. Now we'll round at the bottom, going in behind the tongue, continue up on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head. We're going to draw two angled lines, one coming down and out on the left, go all the way over towards the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now we want to close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's move up and draw another line going across the top of the belt. Leave a gap in the center, draw two lines across the side. Let's add a belt loop on either side with two lines side by side. And then along the top and the center, we're going to add the bow tie. Let's start with the knot with two lines coming down, close off the bottom. From the bottom corners, bend the tie coming down and then out. Bend this around and then up underneath the head. Let's add two lines coming down the center from the tie towards the belt. And they'll add three small black buttons. Let's add a strap going across the shoulder. So we're going to step in, curve this down, and then out towards the top of the belt. And then along the top of the strap, draw two straight angle lines coming down and in. And I also want to add a fold along the side of the knot. Bend this up and out. Now from the hips, we're going to step in, draw two short lines coming down, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. On the right side, draw a straight line, and then on the left, we're just going to round this out, going out and then in. Now on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming down, and then on the right, draw two lines for another belt loop. Now I'm going to leave a small gap in the center and draw two lines coming straight down towards the feet. So we'll start on the left, go all the way down towards the bottom, go to the right, draw another straight line. Now we want to go back up to the hips and round out the barrel of the leg. We're going to start from this corner, then this out, and then in. Now we're going to connect the bottom with a straight line going all the way across the center towards the right. Let's go back to the bottom corner of the barrel, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the bottom. Just line this up with the inside, and we'll flatten off the bottom of the legs. Let's move up and draw a straight line going across the top of the feet. And then we're going to add a texture across the bottom. We're going to start in the middle, just going to separate this in half, and we'll separate each of the sides in half. Let's add the knee pads in the center. We're going to start from the top, add a curve coming down and up on both sides. From the ends, angle is down and out. Then we'll add another curve. Now I want to draw a straight line going in behind. So we'll start from the left, working our way in. Now on the right barrel, we're going to add a strap. Going across, step down, and draw that again. And then in the center, we're going to add 2 small black buttons. Let's add a patch on the right side. Go up, across, come down and close off the bottom like a rectangle. And we'll add some stitch lines going around. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and then line that up on the right side. Let's flatten off the wrist with a straight angle line going out towards the outside of the arms. And then we'll follow that same curve going up and then in underneath the head. Now I'm going to leave a gap from the wrist and draw a large circle for the hand, but we're going to leave a gap on the bottom. So we're going to start on the left side, going all the way around towards the wrist, come down and then back out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting down here, all the way around towards the wrist, and then bring that back down. Let's round up the inside, and we'll trace the hand going all the way around and then back down. Let's connect the hands to the arms with 2 straight angle lines going up and in. And then I'm going to add 1 more patch on the left arm. Just going to draw that rectangle, and then the stitches on the outside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lego Beef Boss from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.